Hi, we are going to start our sculpture project. So for part one, we're just going to build the armature. So what you will need today is a ruler. We want to make them all the same size relatively, so smaller than six inches or less. You're going to use some kind of a foil wrap for the armature. And then masking tape. We'll try wrapping and we'll try unwrapping and see if there's any difference with how the clay adheres to the surface.
So I just used a sheet of tin foil, and I very slowly and softly started to make a form. I didn't scrunch it too hard. I wanted to leave some air inside so it wasn't rock solid. My figure is lying down, so I sort of, she looks like a she, formed that way, added pieces when I needed to. And it's rough yet, but it's going to be covered in clay, remember. This is just kind of a filler to use less clay and hopefully hold the form better. So I'm going to wrap this particular one with masking tape to see if it's any better with clay. And another one I won't. Okay, so I just tore off little small pieces of masking tape, slowly wrapped the entire thing around, and then this armature is finished. Okay, it's ready for clay. You can see it's not entirely covered. I wasn't too worried. It's just kind of a rough covering of masking tape. Now for my second one, I wanted to try a base. So I used a box from my recycle bin, and I'm building an armature that I'm going to tape really carefully to this base so it's standing nice and strong. The other part is the same as before. You're just wrapping with tin foil. So here's number 2. And then I just did for number 3, I just made a solid form so I can experiment with another clay. Doesn't look like anything yet, but it will. So that is really it. You're going to build your own armature, and if you want to do more, absolutely.